Yes, welcome back to Tell Me About. We're in a very, very busy London today. And it got me thinking, like, could we escape Earth? Like, is that possible? So we spoke to Dr Amaury Triaud, who worked on the Trappist 1 solar system. It's got a lot of planets in it that are really similar to Earth, so we were thinking, like, maybe this would be a potential place to escape to. What specifically about a planet makes it habitable?
Yeah, so I mean the question is complex. I think the simplest answer is that you need to be able to retain liquid water, or rather retain water in a liquid phase. That's really important because life on Earth, so far as we see, does require liquid water. So that's the bare minimum. Then it's really hard to answer fully. On Earth, every environment has been colonized by life, you know, from the deepest rocks, as far as we can dig, have life forms in it, the deepest ocean. Those have never seen a photon in their life. They don't even know what light is, and they manage to survive. There is life, bacteria. Some bacteria resist in nuclear reactors, you know, in pretty tough environments. So then what is the limit of habitability is a bit unknown. And how many other habitable environments there are, what is relevant, is a bit hard. I think we have to see what we have on Earth as sufficient conditions for habitability, because clearly we're alive, but not necessarily the necessary conditions for habitability, and that's where astronomy will tell us. What's also interesting is that when life emerged on Earth, the conditions were far from the ones that we have now. And I wonder if we would consider those habitable then. So that's also another thing that we have to deal with.
So what is kind of special about these kind of planets you've been looking at, this Trappist 1 system?
Where we got particularly excited for Trappist 1 is that first you have 7 places where you can check in one go. And also that if on some of them life has transformed their atmosphere in a way that it has done it on Earth, you know, a massive release of oxygen, some methane, all these, then we will know on those planets within a decade or two. So it's really exciting. It's really short time scale.
Is there any possibility for us to like ever leave Earth and go there?
So I don't want to give a categoric no, but I'm a bit pessimistic about it. I think to reach the other stars, to bring humans there, will require an insane amount of power, and we just don't know how to harness it. And besides that, you have other problems. So at the moment, our search for other planets is more curiosity driven. It's not meant as an exploration for a future landing.
Okay, so I'm just going to have to deal with the busy London trains and stuff like that population.
I think I must say that if we were to invent space travel, it would cost so much currently that it probably would be cheaper to just make our problems on Earth go away first instead. You know, it's a problem of priorities.
Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, then like, subscribe and turn notifications on. We'll be leaving a link in the description that is about microbes that live in nuclear reactors. Mad. That man looked at me, he was like, nah.